अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। लेकिन वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले जो लोग भी मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हैं वो मेरे चैनल टेक नूर को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि मेरी न्यू आने वाली वीडियोस बआसानी उन तक पहुंच सकें। जी तो फ्रेंड्स, चलते हैं आज की न्यू वीडियो की तरफ। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं नेविगेटिंग द क्लाउड ए सेल्स एंड यूज़ टैक्स गाइड के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। इट्स एन undeniable fact that technology evolves faster than the law. And now here is this more apparent than in the cloud. Although cloud computing service offerings continue to proliferate, states have been slow in addressing the application of sales and use taxes to the different types of cloud computing service models. Lacking specific legislation, many state taxing authorities increasingly rely on letter ruling, administrative notices, and audits to shape their policy regarding the sales and use tax treatment of cloud computing services, all with varying results. In order to better prepare and plan for future sales and or purchases, sales understands and use tax audits and to mitigate any potential risk. A business needs to understand the basics of how a state will approach the sales and use taxation of cloud computing services. 3 cloud based service models. Cloud computing services allow businesses or individuals to access software, data storage space, computing platforms, or databases from a cloud service provider for a usage or subscription fee. There are 3 generally accepted service models for cloud computing with distinct characteristics. The 3 models are as follows. Number 1, software as a service is the most popular service model and the one most commonly addressed by state taxing authorities from a sales tax perspective. SaaS allows the customer to access the provider's software via a cloud infrastructure. The customer does not exercise any control, custody, or possession over the software or the hardware on which it is hosted. Examples of the SaaS model include web based email calendars and digital photo applications. Number 2, platform as a service allows customers to launch their own applications on the cloud infrastructure using programming languages and other tools supplied by the cloud service provider. For example, developers can use a PaaS platform to develop applications and games using tools, services, and computing power supplied by the cloud service provider. Number 3, infrastructure as a service allows customers to outsource the equipment needed to support the cloud infrastructure. The cloud service provider provides the customer with storage, space, and processing power on a network to run software, applications, and operating systems. Examples of the IaaS model include web hosting and remote storage service. As technology and business models evolve, we will see more cloud service providers offering services that integrate elements of all three service models. However, sales and use tax laws still lag behind. As a result, many state taxing authorities are attempting to tax the various cloud service models using existing statutes and regulations based on a state's characterization of the service. जी तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो इसे लाइक कर दें और मेरे चैनल टेक नूर को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। फिर मिलेंगे किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।